And we are live. We are back today, guys. Welcome back to my live stream. Thank you for all that were waiting. Today we are a little bit late, and that is because we have finally got, if you see on the screen, just below next to my face, we have finally got my live trading net P&L that we will be in is right next to me. So on my right over here, you're gonna see my live trade, so you get to see if I'm in profit or not. So it took me a time, to be honest. I had to transfer so this is C Trader. So I usually trade with MetaTrader 5, but because MetaTrader 5 doesn't run as smooth as I want to, and I don't like the user interface, I then tested out C Trader. So all morning I've just been testing it out, seeing how it works, and we've officially got that onto our live stream as well. So not only have we got the amount that that the profit and loss is all right in front of you, so you get to see exactly the way it is. So I've just moved it slightly to the right so that it doesn't cover my face box. But yeah, so we are today looking at, as you can see, it says trading strategy workshop. So I want to kind of organize our live stream so that we have everything organized when it comes to the Forex market, because I don't want to just keep boring you guys with just live trading and live, making profits or loss or whatever it is, right? I want to trade with you guys as well, but also give you guys some sort of knowledge when it comes to trading. So we are going to do a workshop of trading strategies. We're going to back test, we're going to have a look, but not only that, we're also going to have a look at the markets and see if there is any potential move, because at the end of the day, we are here to look for potential moves. We're not here to we want to make money, right? I know you all you guys want to make some money. So we are going to first of all look at the market, see if there's any potential setups. We're going to look at Euro USD, Euro JPY, and XAU USD as well. Yesterday we had a strong, if we just have a look at gold, right, we've had strong push to the upside for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, right? We've had 6 days of strength in the market. So definitely want to see what price does with regards to this. I definitely want to see if price can break the highs that we wanted. So I think it was 2144, so these highs right here, which is kind of a weird high, but we're just going to mark that level real quick just so that we are aware that's the highs. We want to see if it can break these highs. If I just go on to the weekly, I know we had some monthly highs as well. If I go to the monthly, I know price has been here before, or do we say, I can't remember, was it last stream where we said that price is actually almost going to break highs? But yeah, really strong monthly. We had a really, really strong month. So definitely want to see what price does at this high. Will it break and retest? What we like to do, right? We like to see that nice break and retest. Price is showing a lot of resistance at this level. So definitely want to see what price does at this level. But you see, when price is like this, just keeps going up, there's no room for entries. Obviously, a lot of traders will be like, oh, we can enter right here, or even enter a buy position right now. But price can just collapse on us. So we don't want a risky trade. We want a high probability trade because we want to be profitable in the market. So definitely just gonna wait for price to just slow down a bit. Right now it's moving very, very fast. If you caught this leg, well done. Like, honestly, bro, like, well done. If you caught these legs, any of these legs, really, really good. I know we as a collective, I think it was on Tuesday, oh no, it was last Thursday, we ended up catching this leg right here. So we didn't catch all of it. I think we caught it up to like 2070, but we still caught this leg, which is really, really good. So we did catch the leg, so nothing to worry about. But we do want to see if we can make some more profit on this. So we're going to have a look and see what's going on. Currently, I have 0 trades running at the moment. So currently just, waiting for the market to show me significant moves. We need to analyze some markets as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some analysis on Euro JPY, see if there's any potential moves, see if we can trade this pair today. So before I do anything, I'm just going to mark some levels, some key levels. So horizontal line, boom. So 162,500, boom. 163, boom. 163,500, boom. 162, boom, right around there. So that's what we're going for with Euro JPY. Oops. And I'm just going to make sure that it is the key levels are on point. So this is 162. This is just the OCD me, guys. You don't have to put it to the T, but with me, I like to do it to see exactly what price did around these areas. Just also because, you know, a few pips does count to us. So boom. So this is on the 4-hour chart. We can see price is now rejected these highs over here. It's crashed down. You see last time it came, it crashed down all the way to this low. Last time it crashed down to this low. So we're going to see wait and see what price does around this area right here. I'm very, very interested to see what price does around this area. See if price is going to break this level, or it has attempted to break. But this clearly is a liquidity sweep, and you know, price potentially to continue to go up. You can see that we do have an area over here where price hasn't made much manipulation right around over here. So it has basically touched this area where a lot of traders, so SMC, ICT, a lot of traders would have bought here. So that's a really nice buying position. If you go on an hour, you can clearly see, clear as day, right, that you know, price has broke up, got this. We haven't had any manipulation around this area from when it's done that. To be honest, with me as a trader, I know this is similar to a fair value gap, but honestly, bro, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, a lot of traders be saying these random words, and it's just a new word in the system, right? This is basically just, you know, support and resistance right here, you know, resistance and then turns to support. Obviously, it is an area that we're interested in. We're interested in price doing that. If you feel like it's a fair value gap, then yeah, definitely then trade it. But in my opinion, I'm not going to call it any fancy names because I genuinely don't know how to trade that like that. That's not my method of trading, but you know, it works out to see. It's good to see how other traders trade, because you can then see what kind of move they've done, and then where you can then retest. You know, this could be the retest and then continuation to the upside. So at the moment, I am quite bullish on Euro JPY. I'm bullish to see what if price can get to, you know, this key level, even up here, these highs right here, which is, you know, the Monday's highs. I'm currently on Wednesday, so definitely want to see what price is doing. So we could call this FVG, right? Bottom one, we could do it inside. Boom. Right, and then we could see what price does in around this area, see if it retests again. But most likely, I'll probably look for like a price, like a buying position over here. And this is a selling position, a buying position over here. Probably targeting like these highs again, and then obviously stop loss just below. Yeah, so this is like a setup I wouldn't mind trading right here. So I'm just gonna wait for price to just come back down again one more time. Just push down a little bit. You can see that price barely tried to, you know, break here, which in my opinion, it could show weakness. So it could show me this area right here, could show me that bears are still very, very strong. So if price ends up creating, so over here we've got a low, if price ends up creating the low over here, then that confirms. We're going to wait for a liquidity sweep just to come back down here to touch 162.500 if it does. If not, then I'm just not going to trade it. So we're going to have a look and see if price comes back down over here after this strong, you know, after this strong candlestick right here, come back down, tap my entry point, and then push its way up. So hopefully we get to see that. If not, then we'll just have to wait for this trade position. But at the moment, Let me make this a bit darker for you guys. I'm not too sure if you guys can see that. Actually, to be honest, I think you guys can see that. But yeah. So yeah, looking at that, that's what we're looking at the moment with Euro JPY. Just broken it down for you guys, just seeing what's going on with the market. You know, this could be a nice little, this could be a bullish momentum trap. So it could trap a lot of traders here. You know, it's tapped up here, couldn't break it. You know, it could be something like that. So I'm not too sure what price is doing at the moment. But from what I can see, if you have a look, price has created new you know, new high low. So this is a low right here, right? Oh no, high low right here, and so, you know, continuation right here. So, you know, price could, you know, could continue to go up, which would be quite nice to see if price does that. Again, we are on the one minute, so if we go on the 15 minutes and actually have a look at what price did, it's rejected nicely over here, creating that low. We could see, if I just draw a Fibonacci quickly, we could see price. So this is a move that we could see. So price comes down. You can see it's rejected at my 50 extension really, really well. So most likely we could try and find an entry right now as we speak, like right around here, and probably just target. I want to target up here, but you can. I want to have TP1 and TP2 right here. So what do you guys think? This looks like a nice trade, and then obviously price just below here. Even though price could go at the fair value gap as well, I'm not too sure. I'll probably just remove this. I think this is just this right here is distracting me when I'm trading. So what I was just showing you is what potentially buyers can trade with. So looking at the way price is done, 50 extension, is that great? Like, is that a good place to buy? We'll have a look. So if price does decide to go down, right? Price does decide to go down, it could just do a retest to my my trend line, but then that would break the 78.6 extension, refusing this. That means refusing this this Fibonacci straight away. So we would have to then remove that. We can see that, you know, price has, you know, broken up, retested this area right here. So this is a nice area to trade in. We have a really nice stop loss. So most likely I would look for this trade. Stop loss is very, very large, so I'm probably gonna keep it like here maybe. Take profit is quite big as well. Stop loss is quite large in my opinion. So we're gonna see if we can find a better entry. So like right now price is like around here. I'm gonna see if we can try get a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, but I definitely want to see price touching these highs again. Definitely want to see Monday's highs get touched. If we look at the daily, right? The daily right now, we had a really, really strong bearish candlestick, but this bullish candlestick, this next candlestick has shown great strengths to the upside. So that could have just been a tap for us to enter our trade, which we missed. But you know, we could potentially hold that trade and see price get back up to here, which would be really, really, which kind of be good. But just to be on the safe side at the moment, if I just get into the 15 minutes again, most likely if I do feel like this is a potential trade, I might play aggressive and you know, keep my stop loss just over here, and I might play aggressive. So my confluence is for this trade, and obviously then I would keep my take profit 1 over here, right around over here, TP1 and TP2 right around over here. So the reason why I'm you know, I'm playing quite aggressive, because if you have a look, we had like a counter trend line over here. It's not the best counter trend line, but we had a counter trend line right here, broke out the counter trend line, come down, price could potentially go to, definitely I do see TP1. You know, just actually I could play really, really aggressive. I could actually play really aggressive and trade this, place this trade right here. Looking at the 1 hour, you can see that we have had a strong rejection, but we still have around 4 minutes left remaining. So definitely want to see, because that could be a fake. That price could potentially come even more lower to even our 61.8. So definitely want to actually, most likely, looking at the price movement, might want to see 61.8 touch, enter that buy, stop loss just below the 78.6 or even below the trend line right here. And then take profit definitely at over here. So it gives us a nice 1 to 2.46. I'm going to wait for this move right here. So I'm going to clear out something. Actually, to be honest, I don't need to clear anything else. So this is the move we're looking at today. We're looking at price going up. We're hopefully going to start seeing some profit, and then we will trade we will definitely see if we can trade that. So we're going to look and see if we can place trades on there. I want to also have a look. If I just click this, right, change the pair. I'm not too sure if that changes my screen to Euro JPY. Okay, so I can create that. Okay, calm. Boom. Okay, calm. So we're gonna have a look and see. So currently we are trading also with we are trading with C Trader as well. So something new. We're doing something new, guys. But we can see that price is right now crashing really well. This could actually be a fake breakout. Price could actually potentially go to the downside. So I'm gonna wait for this move and see if price decides to continue to the upside, which will be quite interesting for me. It'll be quite interesting. So today we're just doing a workshop on this trading strategies, understanding support and resistance, understanding on key levels, understanding what price is doing. I definitely want to enter price at my key level, 162.5. I want to see what price does at this area first, and then most likely see a potential move right here. Let me make it a bit more darker so you guys can see this. Boom. Right here. So just having a look, see it tap here, see if we can scale into the 5 minute. Let me remove this. Let me actually make this a bit shorter. Right, so we had a tap right here. To be honest, if I clear this on the 5 minutes, it's actually much clearer to see the counter trend line. So boom, boom. Can you guys see that? Much clearer. A, B, C, and then there was no D, and then price is now coming down. It was respecting the 50 extension. I think it's going to come down to the 61.8. I think a lot of buyers definitely bought over here because there's a double bottom. This is now just testing the buyers. I think the sellers, I think this might have been like a fake out, a fake buy. It could potentially be. I think price would be crashing down now. We have to be very careful with trades because especially, for the past 2 weeks I've been placing trades just based off the live. Timing is a bit different, so we normally start our lives at 11:30, which would have been really nice for this trade right here, just selling right here, catching this sell. But, at the end of the day, sometimes we are different time frames. I don't always trade at New York session, but we definitely want to see what New York session does to the markets. So as you can see, we're having really strong resistance right here. Sorry, really strong support right here. So definitely want to see what price does at the support level, and then giving us an opportunity to place another buy. This could be another buying opportunity. Looking at the 1 hour and the 2 hours, looking quite bearish. It is looking very bearish. The 1 hour is also looking quite bearish, so maybe wait for another hour. Maybe price could potentially come down to here because we had a lot of market tension over here, and even at our 78.6 we had a tap at the 78.6. So definitely want to see what to do. But I definitely want to see what price is going to do. Still looking, guys, for opportunities. Look on the 4 hours. And it's very, very. Let's look at the 1 hour. Definitely saw a lot of opportunities over here. A nice, really nice opportunity to buy around this area. That this area would have been really nice to buy. Sorry, to sell. Sorry, my mind's not in the game today, guys. Crazy. But yeah, trying to see what price does with my levels over here. Because we could be very strong in the sellers because we did have this strong selling point right here. See, like selling at this point will be really, really nice right here. That'll be a really, really nice selling point. You can see potential sells right here. So this is an area that we could see price tap back up. Could see price tap back into this area right here. So I do believe that this trade is possible. I do believe that. Now I just gotta wait and see if price wants to do that though. We currently are at our 4 hour support. You can clearly see now support. So this is an area that I'm interested in. So price isn't an area that I'm interested in right now, which is very, very interesting to see what price does. We scale into the 5 minutes or even potentially the 1 minute and actually see what price is doing. You know, price is currently just rejecting this area a lot, creating strong, you know, very, very strong, very, very strong bearish movement. Bullish movement. But it is showing a lot of weakness as well. And you can see we're kind of getting a fair value gap right here as well. You see right here, kind of. So I am just having a look at new strategies. So I don't know how the fair value gap is. This is just based off what I've learned today. But I think this is how you draw them in, and this is like, you know, I think. So for me, I just feel like fair value gap is just, you know, I'm guessing the low to the highs, basically. And this is an area where a lot of traders that trade fair value gap or ICT traders would sell here. Because it's tap, and then they'll sell probably to break these lows right here. Which is plausible. You can clearly see that they clearly did, right? So it's good to understand how the market is. Let's have a look. See that price just broke below this, even though it's done that over here. This whole area right here. Price just broke below here. Okay. That's good for us because we're expecting price to go to the 62.5. So hopefully price gets to that point. That's what we're waiting for at the moment. So I'm just gonna have a look. Today's going to be quite a slow day. It is a Wednesday, so today would most likely be quite a slow day. So we are looking for some sort of opportunity. You can see that price is doing a double bottom over here. 5 minutes prices. I think price most likely might go up If it goes up, then we could see some sort of, this could be some sort of rejection, but I think price could potentially crash to the 62.5. That's what we're expecting anyways. 62.5 right here. That's what we're expecting price to do. To try and catch, if we go on the 50 minutes, just to try and catch this trade right here. And then catch it go all the way up. It's crazy that price at 130 pushed up, and then exactly that same candlestick did the exact same. So on the 1 hour, that probably looked like a huge rejection right here. It tapped, and then it came right back down, and now it looks like it's just going to continue to go down. I'm just going to have a look and see if there's anything else I'm missing. So if I I just want to check, is there anything else I'm missing? So if I just do a fib like this, right, am I missing something here? Not really. Is that 78.6 extension? This could be the this could be, the leg. That's the retracement. Price is respecting our 50 extension. We could see price get to these lows right here. That's also possible, but price needs to touch my trend line. So this is what I like to do as well, just check, like, if price does go against me, why would it go against me? And I think this is actually looking more plausible because we haven't actually seen any break of structure as of yet. No break of structure, huge bearish pressure. The 4 hours looking very bearish as well. So and this candlestick has been very, very very strong to go up, but price is going down. This was at 9 a.m. No, this was at 5 a.m. today. So price tapped up, maybe retested, and now price is going down. So if price breaks my 62.5, then most likely could go for a nice entry point, even for sales. So at the moment, I'm just waiting to see what price does at my 62.5. That's all I'm waiting for at the moment, guys. Literally. So right now, this looks like a nice setup, but then this also looks like a nice selling setup right here, touching these lows right here. Looking at the daily, what do we think the daily is doing? So the daily is right now is kind of bearish, double top at the top. Double top at the top. We could see price, continue crashing down. It looks like, got 6 more hours left of this daily, but price looks like it's now it's already created these highs. It might come back down to create lows, which then it could potentially cover this whole candlestick right here. If price touches this, I'm expecting this daily to cover here. Does that sound realistic? I'm not too sure. Last time price was at this level, it rejected up. At this level, rejected up. This level, rejected up. This level here, it's gone up but then crashed down all the way to where we want it to go. So at the moment, I'm not too sure. We could see some sort of proper retracement. Maybe this wasn't the proper retracement that we needed. If I do like a bigger fib right here, because this is the overall move, right? Yeah, we could see price come down. So clearly it hasn't done the proper. So we could be quite bearish actually, guys. Now that I'm looking at it, we could be quite bearish. So we're still going to keep an eye on this and see if we can do a potential move, because I definitely want to do a trade in this market. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of strong. We could go to the 5 minutes and see. Price is quite strong in the bearish side, but we have a nice doji right here, which is kind of like a inverted hammer, or like a morning star. So let's see what price is doing. Go on at 1 minute. Have a look. Yeah, prices. So what price might do is fake all the buyers out, if it decides to do that. and then come back down. So price might do this, right? Fake all the buyers out, go up, come back to this level right here, then crash down, giving us a nice head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Literally just waiting. So the move that we had, that might not actually happen. This looks like a better probability trade of selling. So most likely looking for a sell. We have a look like around this area right here. See what market does around this area. Mark them so you guys can see that. Just gonna have a look, see what price does it tap into that area, give us a head and shoulders, or is it just gonna sweep us up and break this level? If it breaks this level, then we're going for a buy. If it bounces off, we're going for a sell. And obviously then we know where our selling positions are. I'm gonna go back on that 5 minutes, just have a look. More time is like here. This is like the area that I'm looking at. If I go back on the 1 minute, yeah, that looks better. So this area right here, much better. 15 minutes. It doesn't cover the 15 minutes, but we'll go on the 5 minutes or 1 minute. See what price is doing. So just gonna wait now and see what price does. Hopefully look for a potential sell. Selling point would be right here. You know, stop loss probably like, I don't know, around here, and then just, I think this was a fake breakout in my opinion. And obviously then targeting all the way down to even these lows right here. So this is the Asian low right here. The Asian low just before London session even opened. So this is the Asian low right here. Expecting price to come to Asian low. Asian low. Asia high is right here. This is Asia's high, I think. Let's have a look. No, Asia's high. Yeah, Asia high is right here. So yeah, price has tapped the Asian sessions high already. Price has tapped that right here. Let's try to go above, couldn't. It's broken. Tap that. So we're definitely bearish. Definitely seeing this move right here, guys. This is where I'm more confident. This is a trade I'm more confident in. More confident in this trade. I removed this trend line break because it was a fake trend line break. Yeah, so price it went to the Asian high, broke above it, tried to retest, didn't do it, failed to break, tried to come back down, failed, and then price then came back around, broke it, then broke. Now it's retested, so it's like a break and retest from around here. So looking at the way price is moving, you know, the break and retest exactly on my 78.6, selling to the lows. So I'm selling to, you know, the Asia lows. Yeah, the Asian lows right now. So this is the Asia lows, Asia highs. We clearly see that price is tapped here. It's very bearish. It's just tapped our moving average, so it could potentially continue to go down. Going to scale into the 1 minute, see what price is doing, and most likely try look for an entry point. Looks like price just doesn't want to go up right now. I'll remove this Fibonacci. Let me remove this right here. Actually no, keep that. Remove this right here. So I'm just waiting, guys, because I feel like right now price has created like this very strong level of support, and is faking a lot of, like, you know, a lot of traders out to go up, right? Because it clearly looks clear as day, right? It looks like, you know, price 1, 2, and then 3. This time I feel like price is going to go up, and it's just going to continue down. So if we look at the fib on this 1 minute, right, I'm expecting price to exactly go on our 61.8. Once we've seen the 61.8 tap, we're going to then see price just crash down. So that's what I'm expecting price to do right now. So don't be at the moment just waiting. This is a higher probability trade for me. And then obviously just stop loss, we'll just keep it up here. giving us a 1:6 ratio right here. Go on the 5 minutes quickly because I'm more interested in that 5-minute entry, and then scaling into the 15-minute. You can see 15-minute tap. That'll be really, really nice as well. Tap real good into there. So just gonna wait, guys. So this is actually a better trade for me. I'm not too sure. I don't know why it's like that. Boom. Just gonna see, and then obviously I want it to touch the Asian lows, which we are expecting. We'll have a look, guys. So this is an area that a lot of traders would potentially sell, because then that's a nice head and shoulders for us as well. It will be a really, really nice head and shoulders. So we're just waiting, guys, for this. So guys, if you are new to this live stream, make sure you like this live stream. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hopefully we're gonna find a. Hopefully we're gonna enter this trade right here. While we're waiting, let's have a look at gold. Let's have a look at gold and see what gold's doing. So the daily, you know, we already know we're quite bullish. Let's have a look and see what price has been doing. So we can see that price has, you know, price is just, you know, I feel like price is just going to continue. I feel like price is definitely going to break, you know, the new highs and create new highs. I definitely believe that. I feel like this was definitely an area of entry. Just want to see where the Asian lows were. So the Asian lows were here. Let's go on the 15 minutes. So the Asian lows were, what we can do, I have this indicator where it's market sessions. That usually tells me what session we're in. So let me see where Asian session was. Asian session. Let's have a look and see if it will actually show me. Okay, there we go. Okay. So let's have a look at the Asian session lows and see what the Asian session, or even the London lows, to be honest. London lows was here. Price, look at this, guys. Price literally touched the Asian highs right here. Price literally tapped there, buying position right there. Can you guys see that? So we had the Asian session highs, price tapped there, boom. And so that's the highs for Asians. This is the lows for Asians right here, the Asian session. London session clearly showed me the double bottom as well, right here. 1, 2. Right, we see that price just tapped the Asian session, broke, retest. So we can actually remove this. And then looking at what price is now doing, I think price is definitely going to touch the highs for sure, which I don't know why it's just been removed. That's very weird. But right here, so we definitely see, we're going to see that touch. So I want to see how price reacts when it gets here. Definitely want to see how price reacts. Definitely. But with USD at the moment, I'm very, very bearish. Very, very bearish, which we kind of said yesterday as well. We kind of said that, you know, we are quite bearish with USD as well. We do expect price to, you know, continue to go up. With gold, which we do expect that, but you can clearly see the London low, we had a double bottom. So yeah, we're just gonna have a look and see what price does. I want to see if there's any indicator, because I know there's indicators. So if I do session high and low, let's have a look at this right here. Okay, it's not going to let me do that. Okay, that's fine. So usually it's only 2. That's fine. We'll remove the indicators then. Remove indicators. Let me just have a look and see. So usually you can just go to like session high and low. Just click whatever the first one is. Oh, right here. So I don't know why I've done that twice. Boom. And for some reason, I think it might be black. That's why. Let me put it as white. So this is a terrible one. So this is a terrible session high and lows. For some reason, bare people have used that though, so I'm not too sure. Let's see this one. Just calculating. There we go. So yeah, look, London low. This is just giving me Europe and London. Okay, there we go. So the Asian low, right? Boom, right there. Asian lows. So this is the Asian low the previous day. This is the Asian high. London low. See that clear tap. To be honest, I like the indicators that I use. This is just another example though. Just bring back my indicators. So I just use market sessions, literally just market sessions. But yeah, guys. Let's have a look and see. So usually you can have 3, but for some reason it doesn't let me have 3 indicators, which is kind of weird. So yeah, looking at Euro JPY, because that's what I'm more interested in, waiting for price to go up. Again, if I just remove my indicators, go back to market sessions. Okay, so for some reason, that's probably why it's not. So let me just delete this. Yeah. So how to create a template is literally, you want to do this. Save indicator template, and just write, let me just write market sessions, right? And then there we go, done that. And then it should do that. Okay, so it hasn't done that. I'm not too sure, guys. I'm not too sure. But yeah, if we go to Euro JPY, there we go. So London highs is up here. You can see the New York highs is over here. But if you have a look, I'm not too sure why I don't have my Asian session. Boom. Right, we've got the Asian. So the Asian highs were. So the Asian high is literally. So actually, the Asian high is over here, which London sweeped Asian high. So actually, if you have a look, guys, Asian high was swept right here. It retested the Asian high. It's going down. So last time was at Asian high, it would have went down here. So I'm very confident that price is going to go down. Very, very confident. The New York highs is formed. It retested the London's basically range that we have over here. I definitely want to see price. You know, I want price to get up a little bit. If not, then I most likely could place a sell. Just gonna wait though. But yeah, let me remove this. See, guys, I do experiment with a lot of indicators and stuff like that. So, right, I do experiment with a lot of indicators as well, just to see what indicators is good for me, what indicators not. I do like to see which market sessions there are as well. I do like to see that as well. That is, so yeah, just waiting now. So that was the Asian highs. This is that retest. Now we're looking to sell, I think. So I'm not too sure if price will get up here now. Now that I've seen that price has already done that. Look, I'm trying to see at least if price can get to this. It would be quite nice to see that. But we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait, guys. Literally just gonna wait. Currently, we haven't placed a trade, guys. Currently, we have not placed a trade. Yeah, so if I just quickly do a fib right here, let's have a look. So it's bounced off of 38, which is quite good. We could place a sell right here. This point as well. Looks like price is just going to crash down, to be honest. That's what I believe. That's what I believe price is going to do. I think it's going to crash. Shall we do a market execution, guys? Still gives us a nice trade. Yeah, definitely gonna try and scale in and get that mark execution. I think, yeah, there we go. Yeah, price is crashing now. Just gonna see if price bounces out one more time. I might enter small. I might enter quite small. And then let's sell right now. Order filled. I might enter quite small. And then see what price does. So I'm not too sure why you guys can't see my P&L move, because I have placed a trade and it has moved on my screen. That's quite strange. So I've done a small position for now, right around over here. If price decides to scale up, then obviously I'll do a bigger position. I'm not too sure why I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure why it's done that. I'm gonna see if I can make it. Okay, I'm not too sure. But yeah, price is going up, so this is where we can get a bigger position. I'm not too sure, guys. What price is doing? I'm not too sure what it's doing, to be honest. But you guys can see, I just put it on the screen. You guys can see that I did place that trade. And price is going up now. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna have to sort that out later. I'm not too sure, guys. But we have entered this trade, and most likely I will, if there's some more, then most likely can. So I feel like there could be some nicer entries right around here as well at this point. Entered quite small though. Probably do some more positions. Probably do a 0.5 as well. Cause I'm kind of confident with this. But definitely want to see a tap over here. We'll do another sell right around here. Let's do a bit more. There we go. Get some big numbers rolling. And then also one more sell when price taps at this point. If price taps at this point, then definitely going to do another sell. My P&L is not working, guys, hence that's why I've just removed it. I'm not too sure why it wasn't working, if I'm honest with you guys. I'm not too sure. I'm just trying to get this P&L to work for you guys. There we go. Now I'm going to do another big sell right around this point. Boom. There we go. Order filled. Just trying to get this sorted, guys, for you. There we go, we've got it sorted, guys. So I'm just gonna, hopefully you can transition it and you guys will be able to see. We are now in the trade. We have sold over here as well. So we've got potential sell movements right here. So we're gonna have a look and see how price will move within this. We're obviously in drawdown at the moment, but we're gonna see what price does. But we're finally back in the game when it comes to showing the prof P&Ls. I do like to show you guys the P&Ls as well. But yeah, look at that. We're going to be in profit hopefully quite soon. Hopefully price decides to now come down. That was a tap to our to an area that we know that a lot of traders will sell there at this area. Hopefully that continues that push to the selling side. If price decides to go above here, then I'm definitely going to be out of that trade. If price decides to come up here, or more than likely probably even like up here, if price decides to come up here, I'll be out of that trade for sure. But at the moment I'm going for like an aggressive approach, and I don't want to see price go like above here, or even like, you know, even touch like here. Basically I'm going for quite aggressive right now. That's what we're doing right now. And there we go, we finally in some profit. Finally we are in some profit. So because I've placed like I think a trade around here and a trade around here, so because these two are bigger than the actual trade that I took, that's why we're in profit. But at the moment we're just scaling between profit and loss, P&L. But this is what we're gonna do now. We're just gonna wait for price to do its thing. Then hopefully we can see like at least TP1 or TP2 get hit, and that would be really nice. I'm definitely trying to scale for like Asian lows. Definitely want to see what Asian lows is saying for me. Yeah, let me know in the chat, guys, what you like with regards to the P&L. Like, do you like the fact that I actually have the P&L up there? Is that nice and transparent for you guys? Because I do know like a lot of traders don't do this. But is that something that you guys are calm with? Right now we're in like $13 profit, so we're pretty good, pretty good. So altogether I've done like a point, so they're 0.1, 0.5 and another 0.5. So that's what we're looking at the moment. So that's why my P&L isn't moving as fast, because I haven't done high lot sizes. Still because I'm waiting for price to like break this area right here. That's what we're waiting for. So you can see price is now strong. It's going up really strongly. I'm definitely gonna, hopefully it just rejects here again. So I'm just trying to add the stop losses as well to the trade. But at the moment, let's just hope that price doesn't smash our TP that's up here. But again, I am expecting some sort of drawdown. So most likely, we'll look at price over here. But I don't want price to, go above this area. But in an aggressive approach, I don't want it to go above here. So there's two things, either here or here. But let's just keep this as an area first and see what price does. And aggressive, if I see that price is just pushing up, let's say it gets to like around here, and it doesn't have that fast momentum, then okay, cool, I'll look for closing that trade. So yeah, so guys, I have another monitor, I have another computer over here that shows my trades, so that makes it more easier for me to trade in as well. So currently we are $33 in loss, which is kind of an L with regards to trading. But hopefully this 5 minute doesn't close above here, so you've got 2 more minutes. Hopefully it doesn't close above here. As long as it doesn't do that, then we're good. But yeah, currently around $32 down. Just waiting for price to go down. I knew that this was like a really early trade, right? This is a nicer trade right here, what we've got. This definitely is an earlier trade, but it is what it is. I just wanted to be in the market as quickly as possible, but it's fine. We expect some sort of drawdown. I think that's just basically faked a lot of people out. Hopefully now we got sellers in the 1 minute. Hopefully now we've got some sellers taking control. Hopefully, if not, then it will just double bottom, retest, and it could just sweep us up, which is kind of an L in our position. But at the moment, we have 1 position that's in profit, 2 positions that's in loss. So let's just see what price does. So we're going to see now. So going down at the moment, just having a look. Whew. I am definitely very, very bearish in this. Definitely very, very bearish. But hopefully bearish traders are also as bearish as me. I think we could have definitely placed if price does go up, we could definitely see this as a potential sell, which you said at the beginning. But I have gone quite aggressive as well. I definitely have gone quite aggressive, which is something I don't like putting myself in these positions. But sometimes you just gotta be aggressive to, be in trades, right? Because on the 15 minutes you can see that price could just retest this level right here. So that's why I don't like being aggressive, but sometimes being aggressive is a good approach, because you just get to be in that trade. It doesn't matter, as long as I've got a good risk reward ratio. So this is like a 1 to 1.5, which is, it's not that good, but then obviously my second trade is over here giving me a nice 1 to 3. So that's much better, 1 to 3. So my first trade isn't that great, but my second 2 trades are in 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So that's what we're looking at. So I can even, just to make it look like we're in a better trade, we can also just do this. which now price is going down. Currently right now, what are we in, like $16, $12 loss at the moment. 3 more minutes left. Let's clean up our charts a little bit so we can get rid of this, because that's a move that we've missed. We can get rid of, I'm not too sure, this is my fib. I'm not too sure why I've got the fib, but we'll get rid of that. Clean up the charts a little bit. We'll get rid of, we'll get rid of these once the trade continues to go down. At the moment, I don't really need this. This is calm, we don't need that. It's good to also clear out your chart as well, make it nice and clear. We can get rid of this trend line as well. We just want to see price get to these lows, to be honest. I don't expect price to be doing anything else. So at the moment, we're currently at minus $27, which is, so in case you guys are wondering, this is a funded account, by the way. That's why it's in dollars. I'm from the UK, but I don't know why every time I've done a funded account, it's in dollars. So that's why it's in dollars. Okay, we're currently in minus 40, minus 30. Price is deciding to continue to go up. Let's get into the 5 minutes, get a better look out. Yeah, look at that double bottom right there. Price could go up. That's 61.8. We're just gonna wait and see what price does. I definitely do believe this 1 hour will close. This 1 hour will definitely, hopefully, it will close at as a bearish move. So hopefully this has been swept. So this right here has been swept. This is a really strong support line. Definitely saw that. But I still believe I'm bearish. I'm still believing I'm bearish, guys, if I'm honest with you. If price goes up, that's more selling position for me. So yeah, minus $50. Okay. So yeah, I definitely believe price could get to this area again. Definitely do believe that. So we're just gonna have to hold on to these trades. I would most likely place a sell right around here as well, giving me a nicer trade as well. Boom, all the way down here. That'd be a much better trade. So that's another trade I'm looking at. But I am very, very bearish. So if price does go up, that's another position for me as well. I will be in quite a lot of drawdown, but playing a bit aggressive. It is a Wednesday. Haven't hit a profit this week, and I want to make sure that we are hitting some sort of profit this week. Okay, price is deciding to have strong bearish push. Okay, price, you can see, guys, price just tapped our 38.2 again, and now it's crashing down again. I think this could just be a retest though, but let's have a look. That was quite strong. Yeah, that was quite, yeah, I knew that would be pushing retest. Price going up now. Definitely we're going to see price start 61.8. Minus $55. Does that hurt me? Not really. Not really. That doesn't really hurt me at all. What would hurt me is like if I'm like $1,000 in negative. That's what hurts me. But we have a smaller account. So for the live stream, I'm using a smaller account, a 5K account, just because I like to trade. I don't really like trading on live stream, and also because it's new, I don't want my emotions to play around because I'm on live stream, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm placing aggressive, but I'm also bearing in mind that I'm also live streaming as well. So I am trading a bit differently to how I'd normally trade. I wouldn't trade like this, like sit on the system and wait for a move. I usually just look at the market, see, like wait for price to get to this level and then trade. But because I didn't wait, that's why I'm in this drawdown at the moment. But it's almost, we've got 15 more minutes. Probably gonna end this live stream in 15 minutes as well, just because I've got some work to do. Just gonna do some work as well. But yeah, currently we're in what, 36 minus $36. Probably see where this plays out. Probably see. I'm looking at my stop loss in line with this, isn't it? So right here, in line with that. So what, stop loss? $781. Stop loss. One. Boom. I just want to do the same thing for all of these. Stop loss 781. Modify. I think it's this one next. This one. It's gonna let me. This one. Protect. Stop loss 781. And obviously we want our take profit at, what's our take profit? 265. Okay, so with C trade, that's the only thing, is that with MetaTrader 5 you can just move it. So protect, take profit at 162.265. 65. Around 26 pips, ain't that bad. Let's do the same thing with this one. So this is what, when you're trading, you have a lot of trades in, you have to just do it manually, which is so annoying. MetaTrader 5 is pretty quick with that one, 265. But it will take me a while to get used to this. It will take me a while. Did I do this one? I don't remember. Boom. Okay, so we did this one already. Top one, protect. Did this one already. Middle one. Boom, protect. Okay, we didn't do this one. 265. And modify. There we go. So there we go. At the moment we are minus $60, guys. Is it gonna turn out to be an L, or are we gonna hit some profit? So this is a really bad risk to ratio, 1 to 1.85. But then this one will be nice, 1 to 6, which most likely place a trade over here as well if price decides to go up there. So I'm just gonna wait. Got around 10 minutes as well. We've got 5 minutes. Yeah, we entered where price looked like it was rejecting, but it didn't. And it's double bottom as well. So price will go up here, probably just crash. Hopefully it crashes down, giving us a new lower high as well, like this. So we're looking at like a new lower high. Could do like an order. just waiting, guys. It is the waiting game. It is the waiting game. So right now we're just fluctuating between minus $40 and minus $60, which is all right. So with my other accounts, I wouldn't place this many trades. I'll probably just place one big trade. Okay, it's crashing. It's crashing a little bit. Minus $30 now, we're going down. Okay. I prefer to end the live stream around 3 p.m. London time, but I don't think we'll be able to. Might have to stay on the live stream for this trade. So this is what we don't like. We don't like this hesitation type. What is what it is. Excuse me. It was quite a bad entry as well, to be honest. It was quite a bad entry. This is a better entry for me personally. Yeah, there we go. Price going up. To be honest, everything's sorted on my end when it comes to this trade. Yeah. Just patiently waiting now. This is how the trade is gonna be very, very slow. We are in Euro JPY as well. It is gonna be quite slow. But I don't expect, if price does hit stop loss, we're out of that trade. Definitely out of that trade. So you guys remember when I was saying I'm gonna play aggressive? I would have been stopped out of this trade. So that's why I put my stop loss all the way up here. It makes sense for me to have my stop loss up here because it doesn't make it as aggressive as I want it to be. And then also if price does decide to go up, I then have another opportunity to sell as well. Again, guys, if you're new to this live stream, today is just a workshop of strategies, and we're actually currently in live trading as well. So if you guys want to see more setups, tomorrow is Q&A. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, tomorrow is Q&A. So if you guys are, if you guys want to ask me any questions or anything, tomorrow's Q&A, guys. If you guys like this live stream where I'm trading, I'm showing you guys the profit, I'm showing you exactly what's going on with trades, definitely like this video and comment down below as well, so that then I get a better I get to know basically. Whew. Yeah, price is deciding to go up now. There we go. I'm gonna place another trade soon. This will be a little bit smaller. Actually, no, I might just do the same 0.5. I'm gonna wait till price taps it. Probably scaling more. Wait for price to tap in. Once it's inside here, I'm gonna try and enter. Giving me a better trade. Ooh. So I want it to tap the 61.8. You can go above it, to be honest, but just tap, not go above this area. Come on, man, tap it, bro. Tap it, bro. I know you want to as well. This fib is not even done. Yeah, tapped it. Now you want to go down, bro? Come on out. Give me a better entry, bro. They didn't even let me enter, to be honest. Yeah, we're a tweezer top. That's a tweezer top, guys. That is a tweezer top. I'm just gonna enter right here. Still 1 to 3. Tweezer top. Let's see how high this market can go for us to get a better entry. Just gonna remove this entry real quick. Go for this entry right here. Give me something better, bro. Give me something better. For a second at least. Nope. Okay. It's fine. We're still entered. We're still in the market. This would be nice to would have been nice to enter right here. Yeah, that's a tweezer top for sure. That is a tweezer top for sure. So yeah, I'm still confident. I'm still confident with that trade. Still very, very confident. Let's see if it taps again. And it's now 3 o'clock as well. Let's see if it taps again. Yeah, it doesn't want to tap again. Maybe it might tap again. Currently just waiting. There we go, it's tapping again. Let's go for a nice sell over here. Did I even click it? Nope, I didn't. It's tapped it again though. I didn't get to click sell. But yeah, there we go. There we go, guys. We back in business. We are back in business. There we go. There we go. Everybody's just tapped this area. There we go. Who knew that? We just had to wait till 3. Let's not get too excited though. Let's not get too excited. So you're probably wondering why I'm in, even though price is so close to my entry point, why I'm in such a great loss. Because I also have entries around here as well. Like around here somewhere. I have entries right here. Go on to 5 minutes. You can see, did not want to close above here. That is beautiful, guys. That is so beautiful. It's tapped up here. That is so nice. Could have had a really nice entry right here. I think we might have another entry anyways. We might do it. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to enter again. I think I'm just going to leave this trade. I think there'll be too many positions. But yeah, looking at the 5 minutes, looking really, really good. If it taps again, it taps again. Yeah, I think we're back in business though. With this kind of stick, I think we're really good. Like, yeah. I think we could be really, really good. I definitely do want to see Asian lows get touched. Oh. Still crazy though. We're at minus $100, which is crazy. Probably just have a look at it for a few more moments. Wait until price actually has clear indication of going down. At the moment, there isn't any clear indication of going down. One hour's touched the moving average, which is calm. 2 hour I'm bearish. 4 hour I'm bearish. Daily I'm bearish. 5 minutes we're bearish as well. Come on. Come on, like we're bearish in every time frame. Like you're refusing to close above here. Like I wouldn't expect. You got 1 minute 25. I don't expect you to close above here again. Let's move this fib real quick. Actually have a look at price properly. Got like around 30 seconds. I don't expect price. Don't expect price to. The price could just go up. I surely don't want price to close above here at this area, but I think it might. I think it might close above this area. If it does, then it's got to wait and see what price does around this area. Close above this. If price closes above this area right here, I'm out. And as we said it, as we said that. Yeah, that's strong. That's strong. But let's have a look. Because it could just crash down. Back if I just get my fib. This is where it's like stressful because it's like, is this fib actually right? Or is this fib actually right? So this fib right here, right? That's where the question comes in, right? It's like, which fib is correct? Because we definitely do see some sort of retracement. But, well, this fib definitely isn't anything important as of yet. But it could go drop down to 78.6. So we still are bearish. But, you know, price, you know, has resisted at my 50 extension on the 50-minute chart. You know, you can clearly see, clear as daylight, you know, the 50 extension is not, it's respected a lot. Right, price has not tried to go below here. Once price goes below here, I'm interested. You know, I should have actually waited, but again, we did early trade, which is fine. But we're now just kind of chasing the markets, which is kind of annoying. I don't really like chasing the markets, but you know, that's what we have to. That's the repercussions we have. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting. You know, expecting your price wants to go down. It's broken these levels. It's retracing. Don't expect it to go above, you know, don't expect it to go above here. If it does, then it does. At the moment, I just want price to just stay below these moving averages, then we're good. and then price to just, you know, crash down, which, you know, hopefully it does that. Hopefully price does that. Let me see, scaling in 5 minutes. You can see the price might actually now decide to go down if it wants to, but it might not. But we're gonna leave this stream at around minus $80. So catch up with me tomorrow to see the end product of this trade. So make sure you guys stay tuned tomorrow to see the end product of this trade and see where this trade, because right now we're actually at minus 50. So I want to end this stream at profit, but I feel like we could leave the suspension and actually you know, see the suspense and see what price actually did tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow in the live stream, and we are going to trade and see what happened to this trade, which we are basically around minus $50. So are we gonna hit a loss of around minus like $120, or are we gonna hit profit, which I think is around like $200, right? $200. So check it out tomorrow and see what we get. So I'm gonna catch you guys.